Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today this is my 3-week update on the rice water. So I already put it in my spray bottle, but today I'm doing something different. So I already washed my hair and it's soaking wet right now, and I'm going to try to add the rice water and then deep condition my hair. But I want to add like a moisturizing deep conditioner, so I made my DIY avocado deep conditioner. So if you haven't seen that, how I make that deep conditioner, I will link it in the description box below. But it's not that hard to do. It's just fresh avocados and a lot of good other ingredients that you would need to check out on my channel and start. So I'm just gonna section my hair like I normally do. And also while I'm doing my hair, I'm gonna tell you guys my good news. Well, I recently passed my teas. Yes, I passed my teas test on a Wednesday or Thursday. I can't remember, but I passed my teas test, and I wanted to give you guys tips on how to study for exams or how to pass an exam. My tips that I use to pass this exam. I know some people probably thinking like it's not a big deal, but like to me it was a big deal because I failed it more than once. So for me, and having 2 kids, small kids, it was hard for me to study, but I had to dedicate myself to in studying and putting in the work and actually learn the material that I was lacking on. Like I was always strong in math and reading, so I didn't really have to work hard in that subject. Well, I kind of did in the beginning when I first started studying for the T's. I used the Brandon Craft videos and like the problems that I was having trouble on. So I used the ATIT's book, the manual book, and I did the practice math questions, page 99 to 102, something like that. And I did that, and then the problems that I had trouble with, I went and watched videos to learn how to do the problem. So whenever it comes up on a test, any way to write it, I would know how to work it out. So that's the big thing that I wanted to mention in this video, that when you're studying for exams, unless it's not a memorization exam where you just have to remember vocabulary words or remember something, you have to actually put in the work and study and like learn and like try to learn everything you need to know about the exam. Make sure you understand. So if any question they give you, you'll know how to answer it, even the way if they write it, word it in a different way, you will know how to answer the question. I'm bad with memory, so I always have to study again the day before exam. Like Monday, I have an exam coming up in microbiology, and I've been studying for the exam and making sure I understand each topic. And if I don't understand, I either go back over my notes from the lecture in class or look at for outside material to help me, like the internet, YouTube, stuff like that, and watch videos or talk to some of my friends that previously took the class to see what I can do to succeed. And yeah, so let me take a break from talking about that. Like I said, this is my 3-week rice water, and this week I'm changing it up. I'm just gonna do it on my deep condition before I put I'm spraying it on before I put my deep conditioner on, and then I'm gonna sit on the hooded dryer and see if that works out better for me. I want to see, like, make sure I get like all the benefits of the rice water. So that's what I'm gonna do for the last 2-3 weeks of this rice water experience that I'm doing. And this is really messy, so I got a shirt on that I don't mind getting messed up. So then I'm putting my avocado deep condition on because it's very moisturizing to my hair, and this rice water is a high protein, so I want to put like make a balance in my hair of the protein and the moisture from the avocados. Okay, back to my story. Anyways, so I'm really excited about passing my exam and all my future exams that I have in the future. And if I do get accepted to a nursing program, I will let you guys know. I will keep you guys updated on my nursing school journey and getting through that. I know it's probably gonna be stressful for me because I am a stay-home mom. I do have 2 small babies, and it's gonna be challenging, but my husband is my support system, and my sisters and all my other family members and friends that I have. So you should try to get you somebody that can help you and support you to all throughout your schooling if you have like young kids. But okay guys, that's conclude today's video. I just showed you guys what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this side also, and that's it. I'm gonna wash it out. I'm gonna sit on the dryer, then I'm gonna wash it out, and then braid my hair and put my wig on because I do not feel like doing my hair. And when I do still feel like doing my hair, I will show you guys. I'm gonna make videos on showing you guys how I do that, how I do my twist outs and how I do my braids outs. But right now I am using a protective styling, and I am rocking my wigs right now. So I'm still showing you guys my hair and my updates on my rice water, and hopefully these alien looking antenna patches that I have in my hair will go away. Hopefully it will. But I will let you guys know at the end of my rice journey if it grew. I'm trying to see, did it grow a little bit? I think so, guys. But anyway, thanks you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos from me. Alright, bye.